Today we are going to see the conversion of FA into regular expression using state elimination technique. We will see the conversion of FA into regular expression using state elimination method. So we will have three types of example with the two different initial state and final state. Then we will have a multiple final state in our FA. Then we will have same initial and final state in our FA. Let us see the state elimination technique, how it works. So what you are going to do here is we are going to reduce the given finite automata into the minimized one. So how we are going to do? Except the initial state and the final state, all the intermediate states are going to be removed from the finite automata. So to do that, we are going to have few steps here. So if you are able to use it, you can use it, otherwise you may not use it. So the first step is, if an initial state is having an incoming edge, we should create a new initial state having no incoming edge. Similarly, if there are multiple finite states, then convert all the multiple finite states into non-finite states and create a new final state with epsilon. And the third step is, if there is an outgoing edge for the final state, then create a new final state with no outgoing edge. And the last step is, you are going to eliminate all the intermediate states one by one. That's most important, one by one. Only the initial and final state will be there, and its transition path will express the final regular expression. So let us have some simple examples. Suppose you have 1, 2, 3, first diagram. You can see 1, 2, 3, you have a transition from 1 to 2 is A and 2 to 3 is B. So this can be combined using concatenation. So by removing 2, you will get 1 to 3 with AB. So your regular expression will be R is equal to AB. Next one is, if you have a parallel transition from 1 to 2 with the two inputs A and B, it can be represented using A plus B transition. Now one is having, the third diagram, the one is having a self transition, and 1 to 2 it's having a transition for B. So the self transition can be represented using A star with concatenation with B to 2. If you have a cycle, then you can have AB, or with the state 1 alone, or with the state 2 alone you can have AB. So your regular expression will be AB star. So the last diagram is, if you are having cycle with self transition, then you can use this formula to find the regular expression of the given transition diagram. Now let us have the example. So we will start with the state of finite automata diagram. So here we will have the initial state is 1 and the final state is 3. So you have to remove the state 2 from the diagram. Okay, so you have to remove the intermediate node 2. So let us do one thing. So we will keep 1 and 3 and we are going to remove it. So what I am going to do here is, first we will try to remove the self transition of 2. So how do I remove that? So I will take of A star to B, and this A star B can be combined into, so first I will write 3 A comma B. So this self transition can be written as A star concatenation with B. Now we can combine 1 and 2 transition with 2 and 3 transition. Okay, so what happens is, you will have 1 and 3. So you will have A comma B here, and you have a self transition A here. So you will be having B A star B. Now this is concatenated. Now we will try to remove the self transition of 3. So 1, 3. So it's a double, it's a finite state, so you have to put double circle. So how do we include this is, you can see here, I will write the expression here, B A star B with A plus B the whole star. So the self transition of A still exists. So finally, now self transition of 1 is going to be removed. So which will be A star. This is the A star for self transition of 1. Then the remaining terms A star B, A plus B, a star. So therefore the regular expression for the diagram is A star B, A star B, A plus B star. So this is your final regular expression. So let us have another example. Now we will see another example. This is an example where the finite automata is having multiple final state. So here my initial state is 1 and I have my final state as 2 and 3. So you have to consider the two diagrams. So one is from initial state to 2, that is we'll have here one. So one is 1 to 2 and here another transition, it is going to be 1 to 3. So these two transitions has to be there because one is initial state, 2 is a final state, then 1 is the initial state, 3 is here is a final state. So your regular expression will be the combination of transition from 1 to 2 plus 1 to 3. So we will split the diagram first. So we will have separate diagrams. So we will draw first for 1 to 3. So I will draw the transition diagram first. 1, a self transition A. Then we have 2. So we don't want to mention 2 is a final state here because we are not going to mention, because here 3 is going to be my final state. So I will have my 3 as my final state here. Okay. So we will write what are the inputs for the transition. So we'll have B, and 2 has a transition called A and 3 has AB. First we will remove 2. So we are going to remove 2 from this. So what I'm going to do here is first the self transition. So from 1 to 2 I'm going to remove the self transition of 1 and then B. So I will write it as A star B here. Then 2's self transition and B is going to be removed. So I will write it as again A star B with the self transition A comma B. Now you can combine this equation. We will take only 1. So you will have A star B, A star B with the self transition A comma B. So this is a final. Then we will try to remove the self transition of state 3. So finally you will have A star B, A star B, A plus B the star, because it's a self transition. So we'll convert this into this and this is your final state. So we'll have this one. Now coming to 1 to 2. So we'll have 1, a self transition A. Now here 2 is the final state and 3 is not a final state here. So you have a transition over A comma B here and this will be B. 2 has a self transition A and 1 to 2 will be B. So now in this I don't want this state, so you can remove it because from the initial state I have to go to the final state 2 alone. So remove the state 3. So why? There is no outgoing edge to 2. That is, there is no outgoing edge to the final state from 3. So I can remove that. So if I remove it, you will have 1 is to A. So don't forget to put the arrow mark. Okay, you will have only B here. Now I can reduce this term into 1, A star B with 2 because it's a self transition 1. Now you can combine these two diagrams. So your regular expression will be equal to A star. Okay, I left A here, so you will have again an A star over here. So you will be A star A plus, then this is the expression for 1 to 3, so B A plus B the star. So this is your final expression of the given finite automata. So I repeat again, what I have to do is, if you have multiple finite states, split the transition diagram with for each final state. So what I do is, first I am splitting 1, 2. 1 is initial state and 2 is the final state. With that I am finding out my regular expression. Then having 1 as the initial state and 3 as a final state, and again I am finding a regular expression. Then finally I am combining these two regular expression for the given finite automata. Now let us see the next example. So here it is having only one final state here. So your final state is, so your start state is Q1 and your final state is Q3. So we need a regular expression for Q1 to Q3. So this is the final expression you need. So we have to remove the self transitions as well as Q2 from the finite automata, right? So to do this, you can see you have a cycle over here. So you have a cycle here. So when you want to remove Q2, we are going to do it in a new fashion. So how do I do it? So when I remove Q2 from this, so I will be having only, so I have only Q1 and Q3 after removal of Q2. So what are the transitions you will have? So it is between Q1 and Q1. Then you will have a transition between Q3 and Q3. You will have to find all the transitions for Q1 and Q3. So what are the transitions? First we are going to check is, we are going to find the self transition. So we are going to have Q1, Q1, Q3, Q3. Next one is between Q1 and Q3. Then you can have Q3 and Q1. So let us see how it is done for this. First I will take Q1 and Q1. So we will find what is the transition for Q1. Okay, we don't want these kind of things. So we will take it as in this way. So you are going to find the transition between Q1 and Q3. So with Q2 as intermediate. So after the removal of Q2, you will have only Q1 and Q3. So we will take in this way. So first the self transition Q1 is to Q1. So which the regular expression or a transition, whatever it may be, we will take it as Q1 to Q1 self transition plus the second transition will be via Q2. So Q1 to Q2, Q2 to Q1. Similarly, we will write it for Q3. So we can have Q3 to Q3 a self transition plus Q3 via Q2 to Q3. And the third transition is from Q1 initial state to the final state Q3. So you can have Q1 to Q3 direct transition, then via the Q2. So you will have Q1 to Q2, Q2 to Q3. Similarly, you may have a back edge from final state to the initial state. So we can have to find that too also. So you will have Q3 to Q1 plus you may reach through Q2 also. So Q3 to Q2, Q2 to Q1. Now let us find what are the transitions we have for this equation. So let us have this one. So what is the transition? Self transition for Q1, which is empty, which is epsilon, plus Q1 to Q2, which is going to be 1. We don't have any transition between Q2 to Q1, so it will be empty. So you will have only epsilon here. So next one is Q3 to Q3. You have a self transition, that is 0. For input 0, you have it. Then Q3 to Q2, you have 1. Then you have a self transition for Q2 alone, so you put it as 1 star. Then Q2 to Q3, it is going to be 0. Now we will come for the Q1 to Q3. So do you have a transition from Q1 to Q3? Yes, you have. It is going to be 0 plus again via Q2. So Q1 to Q2, you will have 1. Then Q2 is having a self transition, so 1 star. Then Q2 to Q3 is 0. Then we will come to Q3 to Q1. There is any direct transition from Q3 to Q1? No. So we will be having an empty. Then you will have 1 Q3 to Q1, sorry, Q3 to Q2, you have 1. Then Q2 is having a self transition. Then Q2 to Q1, which is empty. So you will have pi over here. So finally it is pi. Now we will draw the transition diagram here. So the transition diagram after removal of Q2. So you will have only Q1 and you have Q3, which is a final state. So Q1 is initial state. So now you have to write. So Q1 to Q1, there is no initial transition. You can see Q1 to Q1 is epsilon. So there is no transition. Q1 to Q3, what is the transition? It is 0 plus 1 1 star 0. Then Q3 to Q3 is a self transition. You have with 0 plus 1 1 star 0. Then again Q3 to Q1, you don't have anything. Okay, it's an empty set. So you will remove this edge. So I am removing it. So now only this is the transition diagram. You don't have self transition for Q1 and you don't have a transition from Q3 to Q1. So we will write the regular expression. You just have it write it. So your final regular expression is going to be 0 plus 1 1 star 0, that is from Q1 to Q3. Okay. So then you have a self transition with the Q3. So you will write 0 plus 1 1 star 0 whole star. Now this is R star. You can reduce it to 0 plus 1 1 star 0. Okay. So this is your final expression for the given diagram. Next we will have another example. Here your initial state itself is your finite state. Okay. So you will have your initial state and your final state is same for this problem, which is Q1. So I have to remove Q2 and Q3 from this diagram and to find the regular expression using state elimination diagram. So you are going to find it out. So first we will start with the same fashion. So we will first remove Q2. Okay, we will first remove Q2. So I will start from here. So removing Q2. So if you want to remove Q2, then you can see only states available will be Q1 and Q3. So now the transitions for this is, we will take first Q1. So which will be Q1 to Q1 plus Q1 through Q2. We will reach again to Q1. So let us find the answer for this one. So Q1 to Q1, a self transition we have, which is going to be 0 plus Q1 to Q2, we have a transition 1, but we don't have a transition from Q2 to Q1. So you don't have a transition, so it is going to be empty, so you have only 0 here. So next one is the self transition for Q3. We will check. So it is going to be Q3 to Q3 plus this Q3 via Q2. Can we reach Q3 again? So we'll check. So you don't have any self transition for Q3, so it is going to be pi plus. Then from Q3 to Q2 you have input 1, then Q2 has a self transition, then 0. So your final answer is 1 1 star 0. The next one is, we'll check with the Q1 to Q3. So we'll check for direct transition Q1 to Q3 plus through Q2 we will check for the transition. So is there a direct transition from Q1 to Q3? No, so it is empty. Then Q1 to Q2 you have 1, Q2 has a self transition, then you have 0. So your answer will be again 1 1 star 0. So next one is, it is between Q3 to Q1. Okay, so I will write Q3 to Q1. Do you have a direct transition? Then through Q2 can I reach Q1? Can I reach Q1? So we'll check the answer. So Q3 to Q2 you have direct transition for input 0. Then Q3 to Q1 you have 1 over here. Then Q2 to Q1 I don't have any issue, so it will be empty, so we will have only 0's answer. So now your diagram after removal of the thing will be, Q1 is a double state. Now self transition, do we have self transmission? Yes, we have a self transmission here, so it is for 0. Then Q3. So Q3, does it have self transition? Yes, it has a self transition. So it is 1 1 star 0. Now you have a transition Q1 to Q3. So you'll have Q1 to Q3, which is also 1 1 star 0. Then finally we'll take Q3 to Q1. So sorry. So I'll draw like this. Okay, so reversely it's 0. Okay, it will be 0 here. Now again you have to remove Q3 because your initial state is Q1 and your final state is also Q1. So if you take it in this fashion, so your regular expression will be, you can have it like this, Q1. So R will be, you can have 0. This is having 2 diagrams, so we have to use, one sec. So we'll be using the formula here. You can see the formula will be that is R is equal to, sorry, I'll rub these things and I'll rub this star also. So this will be star. Okay. So now to remove Q3, you can see it's a cycle with self transition. So we'll use the formula R is equal to R plus SU star T the whole star into SU star. Now which is R? This self transition is R. R to direct transition, this will be S. So this will be S and this will be T, and the self transition for Q3 will be U. So when you substitute in this equation, R is equal to, so R is Q1. Okay, so what is the transition here is, it's going to be 0 plus, S is 1 1 star 0 and U is 1 1 star 0 whole star and t is 0, the whole equation of star, then again 1 1 star 0, then you will have 0 star. So just applying the formula, we got the regular expression for the given diagram. So let us have the next example. So same thing. So it is having a little bit of complex. It's a bigger cycle. You can see from Q1 to Q3, you can have a cycle through Q2. There we don't have a direct transition from Q3 to Q1. So we'll start doing this. So we'll have your initial state is Q1 here and your final state is Q3 here. So you must remove Q2 over here. So we'll start with the transition. When you remove Q2, we have only Q1 and Q3. So we'll have the transitions, we'll start from here. So Q1 to Q1 we'll have, so the regular expression we can have Q1 to Q1 plus through Q2 can we reach Q1. So this is Q1. So what will be the answer here? It is going to be 1 plus 0 1. So that's your answer. So next one is you can check for Q3. Again we are checking a self transition for Q3. Q3 to Q3, do you have any self transition? Then through Q2 can I reach Q3 again? So we'll check. So I have a self transition over here for Q3 plus then Q3 to Q1 I have 1, then Q2 to Q3 it is 0. So next one is from Q1 to Q3. So now we'll see how is there any direct transition from Q1 to Q3 plus, and do we have a transition through Q2? So here I don't have any direct transition, but through Q2 I can reach the answer. So it is going to be 0 0. Finally Q3 Q1. So the regular expression Q3 to Q1, any direct transition, or through Q2 do we have any transition? So that will be equal to, there is no direct transition, then you have 1 1. So your final answer is 1 1 here. So now we are going to remove this diagram. So let us have the diagram removed. It is going to be Q1 with 0 0 transition to Q3 because Q3 is your final. Then from Q3 to Q1 I have 1 1 as my transition, and I have a self transition for Q3 that is 0 plus 1 0. Similarly I have a self transition for Q1 that is 1 plus 0 1. So this is your initial state. Now you can see this is again in the last diagram formula. So we will apply the formula R is equal to R plus SU star T the whole star SU star. Now here which is R? This is R and this is S, this is T and this is U. So we will substitute the regular expression. Now you will get what is Q3. So R is Q3 here. So your regular expression for Q3 is, which is going to be R. So this is regular expression, not the equation R here. Okay, so it is 1 plus 0 1 plus S is 0 0, U is 0 plus 1 0 star and T is 1 1. The whole equation is star with S is 0 0 and U is 0 plus 1 0 star. So this is your final expression for the given finite automata. If you are able to do with the state elimination diagram, it's well and good. Otherwise you just stick on with either Adrein's theorem or Keen's theorem, because that is the easiest way and more exact way. You will not make any mistake in doing that. So here if the removal is done any mistake, if you forgot about where to apply this formula, when to apply this formula, your state elimination technique will give you a wrong expression. So always try to follow which is more convenient for you to do this. Hope I have discussed enough examples for state elimination method. Thank you.